You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you call this insect? For more names of different animals and insects, make sure to stay tuned. Loads of vocabulary here. Viceroy would be the French pronunciation, but in English, Viceroy. Yes, the Viceroy Butterfly or Butterfly in American English. Both pronunciations for Viceroy are similar, British and American. Viceroy Butterfly. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.